Well, I really didn't plan to have another truck starting in 2026, but the 2010 is slowly falling apart and becoming very unreliable. So welcome the new addition to the channel. This is a 2022 F150 Ecoboost with the 3.5 liter V6. This is my first turbocharged car. I've wanted to turbo cars in the past and just never committed to it. So I figured if I'm going to get another truck and it's going to be expensive, I might as well get it with turbos, and two is always better than one. The twin turbo on this thing is a blast to drive. I've only owned it for a few days now, and I'm telling you, especially with these cheap all seasons on it, it just blows the tires off every time you touch the gas. It's so much fun. That being said, today we're going to be putting the rims from my 2010 onto the 2022 and getting the beefy tire set up with a little bit of tire poke. It's mostly for the tread because these tires cannot go anywhere in the snow. You cannot move. You have to be in 4x4, and even then, it's not great. So without further ado, let's get these rims swapped over. Come on. It looks pretty good, but I mean, anything will look better than the factory wheels on a base model. So I won't bore you with the rest of the changeover. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. All right, we got the wheels all switched over. Now I admit, I'm not a truck guy at all. If I didn't have a business in construction, I would not own a truck other than maybe to tow a car. But other than that, I do not like trucks. The engine is super fun in this thing. But these wheels are a nice little upgrade to make it look not quite so bad. I do like the body styles. F-150s are my favorite trucks. If I was going to get anything, it will always be an F-150, just simply because they're the best looking truck to me. And yeah, these wheels are going to add just that little bit to make it look not so bad. So let me pull this out here into the sunlight and let's take a look. Yeah, that black on white looks much better. So I just got to take it out for a test drive, retorque the wheels, and then I'll put the center caps back on and get a final shot. But that's it for this video. Just a quick little upgrade to make it look somewhat nice. And I bought a twin turbo truck because, you know, if I'm going to own a truck for the next 10, 15 years, hopefully it lasts that long, then I'd like to modify it and have some fun with it outside of just it being a work truck. So twin turbos is always fun, right? Let me get this thing out for a test drive, put the center caps on, and that'll finish off the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.